What's going on, guys? So, I don't know. This is a video about the wheel strategy. I kind of go a little variation of it, but it's the core is the wheel. And then, like anybody who's trading, I lean towards my strengths. And there's certain twists that I do that other people don't that maybe make me more profitable than just following the wheel. This video is really being made for the people in my Discord. If you're not in there, the link is in the description of this video. Also, you can watch me live stream on my main channel. The main channel is just Cove Trader. The link for that is in the description of this video as well. And really, I'm making this for shout out to Maria and Maria. They're two girls that want to learn how to trade the wheel option, the wheel strategy, and everybody else that wants to learn also, I guess, that's probably going to end up joining the, what do you call it? The Discord and probably talk about this stuff. So this is going to be multiple parts. I'm going to tell you real quick the high level of it. And then part one, I'm going to give you homework to do. And then we'll come back for part two, right? So the wheel strategy is basically, say you have a stock that you want to, we'll just do hymns. So you basically need in your account at least to be able to buy 100 shares of the stock that you get into. So basically you're going to want to find a stock that you want to own. All right. This stock you want to own. You want to own it for a long time. This isn't a, this is a stock that you want to be a part of, you think is going to go places and things like that. All right. So right off the bat, that's where you want to be. Because if you're given the shares, you don't mind owning it. Okay. So your first part of the strategy is find a stock that you do not mind owning for a long time. Second part, basically the high level of this is you're going to sell these puts. You're going to click, you're going to sell them for in between these prices. This is the bid, the ask. But you're going to basically sell puts, collect premium, let the option expire, and you're going to keep doing this over and over and over until basically the stock drops lower and you get given the shares, and then you can turn around and start selling calls against that position. Now, that's the super high level, super high level. I'm going to walk you through it though, and we'll just say hymns because 100 shares of hymns is $4,500. So let's just say your account starts with $5,000. Say you sell, on weeklies, I like to get at least 1%. But let's just say you sold these. This is next week, Friday. You say I sold these at 85 cents, right? I sold one contract. One contract is 100 shares. I'm going to collect $85. If hymns closes next Friday above $43, I would have made $85, which is essentially 2% of my money, right? 1% of 4,300, because 100 shares at $43, 1% would be $43. 2% would be $86. We're close enough. So you would make 2% on your money for holding this option until next Friday. Now, if hymns happens to go down approximately 10%, say it ends at $43.50, we still collect $85. Say hymns goes from $47 to $54, you still collect $85. Now, if hymns drops below $43, you can do one of two things. Either you could buy this back, obviously it'd be more expensive, you might lose some money, or you can hold it and get given the shares. Your average price is $43 minus 85, which is the premium that we got. So your break-even price is actually $42.15. So you'd be buying hymns at a 10% discount from where it is today next week. And that's the gist. You're basically buying these shares at a discount. And that's it. That's the high level. You're giving the stock, and then we turn around, and then you're going to start selling calls against it to lower your cost average. I would say for part one, you guys find a stock that is under $50 that you do not mind owning for at least a year. You're not going to own it for a year, but the fact is that you believe in this company, you like what the company does, and you think the company is growing. That's where I want to leave you with before I make part two. Watch this video and comment below. If you have any questions, comment below. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to come out with part two. And that's your homework. Your homework is to find a stock that's under $50 that you do not mind owning. And maybe tell me why you want to own it. Okay? I will see you part two, and ask questions in the Discord if you want.